Welcome to our presentation of the BeZoned virtual office solution. If you have any questions or would like to sign up for the free early release, please go to the BeZoned website. BeZoned is a virtual office software that keeps everyone connected throughout the day, no matter where you are located. Displaying a virtual in-person office environment, BeZoned gives you a clear view of who's in the office, who's available, and what's being worked on. This makes it easy to engage and help each other. Additionally, BeZoned brings the social aspects of work to life, making your daily tasks not just productive but enjoyable. So this means, with BeZoned, you and your team stay connected, engaged, productive, and enjoy working together. Now, let's have a look at how BeZoned works. When opening your computer in the morning, BeZoned opens up. You find yourself in the welcome area represented by an avatar with your image. You are now ready to step into your virtual office and begin the day. You join your coworkers simply by clicking on your team table. You are now connected just as if you were all in the physical office. Sitting together at a table, you can talk to each other simply by holding down a push-to-talk key. You can communicate across the desk as you do in the office, from an informal good morning to engaging in work-related conversations. During conversations, you can share your screen or add video to make it even easier to interact. Or you can share chats and posts around the table. If you need time to work without being interrupted, you can move to a quiet table. Here, the push-to-talk function is disabled. And by sitting at this table, you indicate to your colleagues that you need to focus and should not be disturbed. In short, you communicate with your colleagues exactly as if you were all present in the office, but without needing to set up meetings or reach for the phone. Good collaboration with your colleagues requires that you know who is at work and if they are available, regardless of whether they are present in the office or working from somewhere else. In BeZoned, you will always have this overview. If you see someone's avatar in BeZoned, it means that they are at work. The green, yellow, or red status icon on the avatar indicates if they are available, busy, or briefly away. To view details of a coworker's availability, you simply hold the mouse over your coworker's avatars. Here you can easily see what they have planned in their calendar and see ways to get in contact with them, easy and fast. In the same way, you can easily set your own status to let your coworkers know if and when you are available. A vital part of job satisfaction stems from social interaction with our colleagues and a healthy company culture. This is something that can be difficult to capture when working remotely. In BeZoned, relationships are strengthened by allowing close interaction between you and your colleagues, either at your team table or in a lounge area where you can kick back and have an informal chat with colleagues during a break. You can also celebrate your coworkers' anniversaries, birthdays, team achievements, or other important milestones by decorating tables with balloons, flags, or flowers. This way, your colleagues feel appreciated, and it strengthens their sense of belonging. Being aware of important news can be difficult when working remotely. In BeZoned, news and important information can be published in the virtual office for everyone to see. Likewise, an office dashboard can display important KPIs, project progress, or other relevant information to keep everyone aware and focused on what you are all working to achieve. And the less formal messages and office announcements can be shared in the office chat. You spend most of your day working in various programs and applications and therefore not looking at the BeZoned office. While working in other applications, an overlay window keeps you aware of who is sitting around the table with you and if they are available. If someone starts talking, their avatar will flash so you can see when someone wants to get in touch with you, even if your speaker is turned off. And the table chat pops up if anyone shares something in the chat. BeZoned makes extensive use of AI based on Microsoft Copilot. One example is your personal AI assistant that helps you plan your day and alert you of important events based on your task lists, calendar, emails, projects, messages, etc. Specialized AI assistants can be set up for the purpose of, for example, HR questions or marketing tools like proofwriting or social media posting. Meeting rooms are, of course, available and they are unlimited. To start a meeting, just move your avatar to the meeting room and the meeting will launch automatically. If you need privacy, you can lock the door to the meeting room. This way, no one can enter unexpectedly, and no one can see who is in the meeting room. Meeting rooms are directly connected with Microsoft Teams channels, enabling you to store all project materials in one easily accessible place either during or after the meeting. Materials include document files, notes, posts, planners, whiteboard drawings, or other types of documentation you can save in a digital format. An AI assistant can help structure and locate meeting materials and create abstracts, reports, and meeting minutes to keep track of progress and task assignments. When returning to the room for project meetings or other repetitive meetings, all materials and documentation is still there, and you will be able to carry on where you left at the end of the previous meeting. BeZoned is built on Microsoft Teams, enabling BeZoned users to benefit from all the powerful and proven features of a world-leading platform. This means that you can access Microsoft Teams data and functionality directly from BeZoned, and information from BeZoned is updated in your Microsoft Teams. Permissions are managed in Microsoft Teams, and you access BeZoned with your Windows login. And security and backup are managed and hosted by Microsoft, as you are used to. I hope the presentation gave you a good insight into how BeZoned can help you in your remote and hybrid working setup, and the challenges you face around team connectivity, productivity, and social interactions. If you have any questions, please let us know so that we can help in your specific situation. We have been working with virtual offices for more than a decade and can provide insights in how BeZoned can work for you. BeZoned will be launched in 2025 and you can now sign up for the early release for free with no strings attached.